Hello YouTube, and if you're like me and you're wondering how the heck do we put this traditional easel together, I'm gonna show you. This is a traditional easel I got from Hobby Lobby for $15. And the instructions are extremely unclear, and I had trouble putting this together, so I'm gonna make it easier for you and show you how to put it together. So these were the actual instructions, and as you can tell, they're very unclear. Yeah, I hope this video will help you. Okay, so I've disassembled it. We have 5 different kind of pieces. There's 3 of these here. They have rubber things on the end. These are going to be your legs. They have this one. This one has a crooked piece at the end. You're going to need this one, and then you have these 2, which are both pointed. And all of these 3 are going to be put together. These are saved for later. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the pointy ones and the legs together like this. Let's get on the ground. With these wing nuts, the small ones are going to be used for the pointy parts. And when you're building this, you want to make sure that the leg is up first. So that it can be used as a holder later for the holder part of the easel. That is.
Like the shelf?
Yes. So you're just gonna put these together like this, and then put that in, and then screw it on. And make sure that this part is sticking out, the leg is sticking out, so it'll stand like this when it's all together, and then this part will sit on top of these guys, just like that. Let's put the other leg on. Like so. Using the same nut, the short winged nut. And then this last piece, it's got this little crooked edge right here. And we're going to use the other leg for this one. And it's going to go so that we're going to use this small hook for this one. And that hook is going to be sticking inside. So when you set it up, it will be able to hook on later. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. And with all the pieces, you're gonna put them all together so that they're sitting side by side each other. If I can grab all of them. That's. So they're gonna be going in like this. And you're gonna use the longer one, the longer winged one, to put it all together. make sure that the hook is sticking out.
Oops. So hook is on the inside.
Okay. So it's gonna stand up just like this.
Okay. Just want to show how these are connected on top. Okay. Let's do a little walk around here.
Okay. Now for the last couple steps, we're gonna have the hello. We're gonna have these two pieces, the thick one and the thin one. Both of them are small. This is gonna sit right here, and then this is gonna come in the back, just like that. And we're gonna use the longer hook to put it together, and then this is gonna go on the inside as well. Just like this. And it's gonna go through both of the holes. Just like that. And then lastly, you just connect the hook to, you connect the chain to the hooks, and there you have it. There's the easel, that's how you set it up. It's a $15 Hobby Lobby traditional easel. I hope this helped you because I struggled for a while trying to figure it out, so I hope this was of value to you.